is out. We have Ellie Magic. Pass to begin. King Patrick. Chapel Guard. Moving a party out. So now is Lady Zorro. What about Andy? Comes next. Then followed by Go Navy. Lady Diamond. Miladis Magic. Imperial Story. Pareng Hilton second last. While Atoy Porras is the early trailer. Into the turn they go, Chapel Guard, then on the outside is Lady Sorrow, a length back to Ellie Magic. What about Andy's racing in fourth, Go Navy's on the outside, Pipa. Then followed by Lady Diamond, Pareng Hilton, moving upon the outside, Imperial Story, King Patrick. Miladis Magic and Atoy Porras. Ellie Magic takes the lead. Go Navy moving upon the outside. Chapel Guard. Lady Sorrow Spiderella. And in fifth comes What About Andy? Pareng Hilton. Go Navy takes the lead by a length. And in second is Ellie Magic. Lady Zorro. What About Andy? Now coming closer in fourth. In Chapel Guard in fifth. Pareng Hilton. Go Navy this time by about 4 lengths. Lady Zorro in second. Then on the outside is What About Andy? Last 150. And it's still Go Navy by about 5 lengths over Lady Zorro. Moving up King Patrick. What About Andy? And nearing the finish line, it's Go Navy. Second, Lady Zorro, King Patrick. Then comes Ellie Magic. Lady